In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off parallax effects on Apple Watch Series 9. So, if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether the 41mm or 45mm GPS or with cellular and GPS, then this video is going to show you how you can easily disable or turn off the parallax effect on your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to disable or turn off parallax effect on Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is click on the digital crown once to exit the clock face and go to the settings page. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to accessibility. Then once you click on accessibility, you want to scroll down and click on reduce motion. Tap that. Once you tap reduce motion, you should see the reduce motion turned on. Then reduce motion on your Apple Watch is referred to as parallax effect. Then disable this. To disable the reduce motion or disable the parallax effect, then at the same time, to disable parallax effect on message, you need to turn off autoplay message effects like this. Then that is all you need to do to disable or turn off parallax effect on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.